Hello, what's up people? Welcome back to Twisted Flavors. So today we'll see how to prepare masala chaat with dried peas, which is going to be oil free. So for that we have to soak 250 grams of dried peas for 5 to 6 hours and then boil them. If you have enough time you can soak them for 8 hours or overnight too. We have to mash them roughly and also keep few dried peas aside after boiling. Now we'll take a saucepan, add around 1.5 cup of water for now. Later on we'll add water if we need to adjust. So in that we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of butter again. It can be salted or unsalted. Butter is just an option, you can avoid that. Once the butter is melted, add 2 slices or 3 slices of bread. Here I am using sandwich bread, you can use any bread if you have, and boil them for 30 seconds. Next we'll be adding salt to taste. Meanwhile, go and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and we'll mix them. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you want you can add everything together and mix the spices then, but I'm mixing everything so that it gets dissolved in the water. And now we'll add 2 large chopped tomatoes. And then we'll add 2 large chopped onions too. Mix them thoroughly and at least cook them for 30 seconds again. And later on we'll be adding some other spices like garam masala, 1 teaspoon, one teaspoon jeera powder or cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, and we'll mix everything again. You can see the consistency is little thick, so I'm adding water to adjust that consistency, and we'll be cooking it again for 5 minutes. Once they are cooked, we'll be adding roughly blended dried peas into it. After adding again, the consistency will be little thick, so accordingly we have to adjust with the water. If you want to adjust the consistency at the last, try adding hot water rather than normal room temperature water or cold water. Finally, we'll be adding some black salt, which is just an optional. If you have, you can add. Black salt just enhances the taste of the chaats, so I'm using here. If you don't have, you can just skip the part. Mix everything together and just check for the taste. If you want to adjust any salt or spices, you can adjust at this point. And we'll be cooking it with a closed lid for about 2 to 3 minutes or till we get the boil. Just look at that boil, so delicious. It looks delicious, it tastes delicious too. Finally we'll be adding some chopped coriander and we'll mix everything together and plate it. In the following pictures or the video, you will see how to plate it layer by layer so that it tastes good and you will get each and everything in every bite. Now take a serving bowl, add masala, the first layer, and on top of that we'll be adding some dried peas that we have kept it aside before blending them roughly. And now we'll be adding some chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. Along with that we'll be adding curd. Curd enhances the taste and it gives that light no sweet taste. On top of that we'll be adding a bit of chili powder, and finally we'll be adding some chopped coriander. If you have any save or aloo bhujia, you can add it. And yes, our chaat is ready to have. Don't forget to try, and let me know your comments below in the comment section below. So like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for more such recipes. And I'll be back with many more oil-free recipes or healthy recipes in few days. Bye bye.